more from the dummy half. You can see he picks up and has a look, commits defenders, and there's a space on the outside.
Great ball from Tompkins. Yaha with an equally good kick, and Tompkins is chasing this. Oh, it's just fingertips, and vital fingertips from Bowes that keeps that Wakefield line intact. In his first Super League appearance last year against Salford, the ex-Shaw Cross amateur. Really his fingertips. And important work from Ashurst, and Jowett on the floor. Quick ball though, quick hands, and they could be in here in the corner. It's a brilliant finish as well from Mathieu Laguerre.
Dive. This is the angle we need. Yeah, that's a try. Great stuff. Love watching this kid play.
Maybe on this ground against England 4 months ago.
Teams start in the middle, trying to create a numerical overlap. There it is.
Huge pass from Drinkwater, and they have found the overlap. And Yaha finds the try line.
Lovely stuff, isn't it? Michael McAlorum gives a beautiful crisp ball from the back of the play of the ball. And what we can see, can't quite see it on that shot, but the other shot tells us that there's some deception at the back of the scrum.
Whitley amongst the Catalan tacklers. Nice hands. Goes to Lynham from Batchelor, but that ball was forward.
It right is more defence. Tom Lynham ends up with it at the end, but they decide to go short side. It's Harry Bowes, the young halfback, who comes over to
Mikel Gudemond gets some treatment. No foul play there.
As I said when I was reading the team sheet, Gudemond and Desiree, 6 again for the Catalan Dragons. And they've got to handle 5 tackles and Big Sam.
Yeah, second involvement for Cassiano. Desiree plays it. McLaurin. Drinkwater. That's Desiree.
Oh. Yeah, they were offside, the Wakefield.
Measured kick from Walker. It's a brilliant kick, and Johnston has read it to perfection. And Wakefield, have they struck back here? And now strikes again against the Catalan Dragons in Perpignan.
That's a beautiful kick from Brad Walker. Judges it and times it to perfection into the path of either one of those 2 left-sided players. Corey.
McLaurin, Pearce, Drinkwater, Tompkins, Lange! Brilliant.
Watch Sam Tompkins here. Watch the work and deception. He's got the ball in 2 hands. There's a little delay. It's not quite a dummy. But if you're a defender, you could be forgiven for thinking he's going to dummy it. It just causes the hesitation of James Batchelor.
Wakefield looking for their second try. This could be a really important phase of the game as Jowett tries to carve through. He's managed, and then some. Brilliant footwork from Max Jowett.
Catalan make them have to do some defence. Josh Drinkwater, he bites in on a player that doesn't get the ball, tries to shuffle across and move on to the next. Dragons too, although there's quality in their ranks. They've got that balance of power, pace, skill and craft. They have their occasional lapse as well, don't they?
Cassiano's been good since he came on. Set restart for the Dragons.
Cassiano is at his best when it's run first mentality, not pass. He's not employed to be a standoff, but when he mixes and combines that, he's really dangerous and hard to handle.
But he's certainly been a standout so far since his introduction from the bench. Lange will play the ball. That's Joe Chan. 7 substitute appearances last year, missed the opener last week. Last one coming up for the Dragons. McAlorum. Teasing kick from Pearce. Wakefield had to be alert there then. McMeekin put down just 5 away. McAlorum. Cassiano. McAlorum, short ball, is this the moment? Garcia has pounced.
Both sides have been guilty of it. You've got to get off your line on goal line D. And then, without getting too...
Looking for a way back into the match. Here is Whitbread again. Into Whitley's tackle. Kay. Walker. Jowett with some space, bullets the pass. And flicked back inside by Johnston. Turnover, nick of time. 1, 2, 3. Wakefield defenders there to stop him. McMeekin. Batty in there. Closing in on the hour mark. Catalan looking to strike a significant blow here. Pearce. Batty again in defence alongside Whitbread. Desiree goes without it. Couple of tackles left. McAlorum's pass. Desiree looking for the line. Brilliant Wakefield defence. Had to be as well. Last one coming up. They're camped under those Trinity posts. Untidy from McAlorum. It's going to be a Catalan penalty.
It's been the Wakefield Trinity side. When they've made them, it's cost them dearly.
Drinkwater. Tompkins. Ball put down by Lange.
Play on.
And Jowett can scramble clear here. He's got support with him from Lynham as well. Lynham on the outside, going around Drinkwater. Oh, what a brilliant tackle from Drinkwater. Lynham looked like he was going to tiptoe in for a vital wait. Sniping run from Horde.
Oh, great stuff.
Brilliant tackle on Shaw this time. Coming in from Chan. Quick play the ball though. And Jowett over the top. Just slight fumble there from Johnston, if he'd been able to catch it cleanly, perhaps.
Liam Hood's picked up an injury, stayed down when he fed Isaac Shaw.
Johnston plays it. Another kick.
Oh, as he's rolling over. Well, I think Willie Porchin will be very proud of his charges.
In possession now with Ashurst. Nice from Jowett. Johnston is free. Johnston looking for the line. It's a brilliant finish from Tom Johnston. His second try of the evening.
There you see, Dean Farre is looking in at the back row. There's already 2 defenders in front of him, and that allows.
29 seconds left. Is there a coup de grace from the Dragons?
Oh,
Drinkwater's pass. It could be the opposite. It could be Lynham striding away. De Costa can't catch him. Tompkins looking. Tompkins is beaten, and Tom Lynham supplies a spectacular try to provide a positive for Wakefield to win the game. But a moment of magic nonetheless from the flying Tom Lynham.
as soon as that ball leaves the hand of Josh Drinkwater, everybody in the stadium, everybody watching at home, and more importantly, Thomas Lynham knew that that ball